Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Skill Lab Tutorials, one lesson at a time. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting topic for all you aspiring web developers, that is JavaScript. Firstly, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language used to create interactive effects within web browsers. It helps make websites dynamic, responsive, and user friendly. I will explain all these with a real time example. Firstly, dynamic. Let's take an example. I have taken here Amazon website. I am entering any invalid and I will click on continue. It shows invalid email address. That means this is because of JavaScript. If we don't use JavaScript, after reloading the page only we will get whether it is a valid or invalid email address. So this is the best example for this. We can take any form or any other website also. Next, responsive. JavaScript can be used to create dynamic navigation bars that adjust based on screen size. For example, when you visit a website on your mobile, you might see a hamburger menu, 3 lines stacked, that when clicked shows a drop down menu. On a smaller screen, JavaScript will collapse the navigation links into a smaller icon. When clicked, JavaScript expands the menu dynamically without needing the reloading the page. Okay, and while going to user friendly, a good example of how JavaScript makes a website user friendly is how social media websites like Facebook or Twitter update content without refreshing the entire page. Widely used alongside HTML and CSS for full web development is JavaScript. Okay, and now you might be wondering, why should I learn JavaScript? Well, for one, it's an in-demand skill that many companies are looking for. It's used to build everything from website to mobile apps and even server-side applications with the help of frameworks like Java, Node.js. Okay. Plus, JavaScript is great for beginners since it is easy to start coding right away. So, whether you are new to coding or have some experience, JavaScript is the perfect language to add to your toolkit. And JavaScript has some really cool features that make it stand out. For instance, it allows you to make your websites interactive, like alerts, form validation, and handling user actions like clicks or key presses. You might also get to work with control structures such as loops and conditionals, and with event handling, you can react to anything a user does on your page, whether it's clicking a button or typing in a field. It integrates directly with HTML and CSS, giving you full control of your web pages. So, you might be thinking, where exactly is JavaScript is used? Well, it's everywhere. JavaScript powers web development like interactive websites, web apps, and games. It also used in mobile apps through frameworks like React Native on the server side using Node.js. So, no matter what type of developer you want to be, JavaScript is a skill that's super versatile. This is the end of the video. I hope you understand. Please like, share and comment. If you have any doubts, you can comment below.